look into Mommy's video. And don't forget the subscribe button to push. Because the PJ Maxx are saved today. Because I always do a pound. No, that's Mommy didn't have a PJ Maxx video. Bye-bye.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're not already, go ahead and make sure you hit the subscribe button. Yeah. Okay, so first I did use my clear lip gloss to moisturize my lips before I started. Then I did use my Milk makeup primer on my face. Now I'm just using a lighter shade that I have in my concealer to like prime my eyes so that the eyeshadow will stick better. Then I'm gonna go in with this brown shade. It's kind of like the same color as my skin, honestly. But I like to use that shade as my base a lot. And I'm going with a darker shade. And kind of go like on the outside of my eye and then like kind of blend it up towards the center. I picked this shimmer shade. I don't know why I keep trying to use a brush because it just works so much better with your fingers. So if you're not really into makeup and you are trying it, I recommend just go in with your finger and put that shimmer on your eye. And it's going to work so much easier because that's what I'm going to end up doing. Yeah. I didn't wet the brush either. So that might have been the issue. But see here, I'm using my finger. It just applies much more product for some reason. See? And then I'm going back in with that brush just with the eyeshadow that was left over on it and just to like blend that out a little bit more. Okay, y'all, so I tried to do a pop of lime green. Like, this is something I've been thinking about for a couple of days, and I wanted to just like try like, oh, let me try to line my eye and do like a lime green. But I think I should have did the top of my lid after I applied my lashes, because when I applied my lashes, or maybe I should have made it a little thicker, but by the time I applied my lashes, you could barely see it. I mean, you could see it, but the lashes are so long you could barely see it. So I tried to go over it again. And I did wet my brush when I used this. It's like a lime green shimmer shade in my Baddie palette. Cachét Cosmetics Baddie palette. And y'all, I tried something new. I'm experimenting right now. So I did try something new and try to do my eye makeup before my full face makeup, which is something I normally do not do. I normally just do like my full face makeup, contour, all of that first, and then I set my concealer under my eyes with the powder, and then that's when I normally do my eye makeup. But I wanted to try something different. You know, I be seeing the girls doing it that way, so I wanted to try different. That's me putting on my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and using our Cachét Cosmetics beauty sponge. Just get that all over. Now, I feel like I did use too much foundation, but it does not look like it on camera. But what I did do is put the sponge in water again and just squeezed it out a little bit, and then went over it again without any extra product on it to kind of take some of it off. blending out the concealer. I did try to put my concealer kind of close to that liner. Kind of make it look a little sharp there, like a little snatched. But yeah, I was not. I'm gonna be honest. I mean, it turned out cute or whatever, but I don't think I was feeling this actual like look. Like even my face makeup this day, I just everything was a little bit off to me. Blending that contour out. Oh, and my boys on the intro, they was so cute. I did not tell them to say that. They watch YouTube so much and they always like say stuff like that when we're making like videos, or like they try to make their own videos. So they're like, welcome to Dion and Devin's video. But I was doing my makeup and they came in the bathroom and just started saying that. So I was like, oh, let me just let them do it. So this is where I'm setting my concealer under my eyes. Like I said, I normally do this part first, but I tried something different today, and I think that's probably why I felt like my look was off, because I tried something different. I'm gonna just stick to what I know, because I don't like knowing on it. Or just do my face makeup first, bake, and do my eye makeup while I'm baking. I'm putting powder underneath just so it can make my contour look a little more snatched. Okay, boom. Okay, so I am putting some of that lime green underneath my eye just because I felt, like I said before, I felt like the lashes kind of hid the actual look I was going for. I did my eyebrows off camera too, but I figured I would do this on camera. So yeah, if y'all want to see an eyebrow tutorial, just let me know. Oh, I put that lip gloss on, and oh, that's Pinky from Cachét Cosmetics. Yes, 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 very vibrant. 1 second. Oh, we're gonna spray with that Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Set that makeup. And I'm doing some highlighter today because I felt like it. That's Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero palette. And then that shade is like it's like a pink gold tone, like highlight shade. Oh, oh, look at that glow, y'all. Oh. Okay, this is my final look. Let me know if y'all think I failed, because I felt like I did, but I think it still turned out cute. But thank you so much for watching my video, guys. Bye.